there, and welcome to your tour of kvCORE and Millions Mapped. Millions Mapped is the consumer-facing app that you send to contacts so they can search for properties and get valuations on their mobile device. Now, this app, Millions Mapped, is your competition for Zillow. When your contact downloads the app, it's like they have your website in their pocket 24/7, 365. It's also tied directly to you when you send Millions Mapped directly via your kvCORE dashboard. There's some great search tools such as typing in specific keywords, drawing on a map, tapping on a heart to save a property. And also, if you have any ideas for features or improvements, it's important you use our feature request form or reach out directly to support. Now, how do we find your custom Millions Mapped URL? And again, it's really important to never send a contact directly to Google Play or iTunes to get Millions Mapped. Always send your unique link tied to your kvCORE domain. So what you're going to do is log into your kvCORE dashboard, click on your photo top right, click on your URL, and a new tab is going to open up in your browser. And just simply drop your cursor at the end of that URL and type in /app.php. This is now a link you can copy and send to your contacts in the system, invite them to download your mobile app, and have another connection with that person via your CRM. Now, an example is of a link that you are going to be seeing is, think of that Annalisa works for Orange Eco MLS. That's her broker. And her normal URL is annalisa.orange.ecomls.com. Her Millions Mapped URL is going to be annalisa.orangeecomls.com/app.php. This is that agent's unique link for Millions Mapped. So yours is going to have your name.brokerage.name.com or your URL of which you've chosen with kvCORE /app.php. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Millions Mapped. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And we're going to go ahead and Millions Mapped. I'm going to open up my work folder. And the Millions Mapped app, again, is for consumers. And you can recognize it because it's outlined in blue and has a little double M icon for Millions Mapped in the center. Now, when your leads are on this app, they have little tools at the very bottom. And there's this little location set at the beginning here at the bottom left. So they can actually tap on that and centralize themselves and see all the homes in their surrounding area. They can also go up to the search and type in specific zip codes if they wanted to, and see all the homes in that specific zip code. So they can get pretty granular here and see all the different icons. Now you may notice there is this little heat map at the bottom right-hand corner. They can actually tap that and determine, well, what do I want to see? Do I want to see high walkability, just the short sales, foreclosures, popular, expensive, cheaper, newest, oldest, reductions? So they can actually reset to see only that type of property by using the heat map. Now, as we work our way across the tools at the bottom, there's also this little pencil. They can tap on that and actually draw a circle, click Save, and only see the properties within that circle. They can click the X to remove it. The little accordion icon gives them the ability to see the aerial view of the property and the surrounding area. And then the last icon at the bottom right is the list view. So they can actually see the properties at a glance, much like your website, and tap on that primary image of the listing to learn more about the property. And again, we're pulling all of this information directly from your MLS. So it's this update of information we can possibly pull. And you'll notice at the bottom here, the lead can actually call you, text you, or email you directly off of the app, which is pretty sweet. Now, on the top left-hand side, we'll see these 3 lines, and this is where they can get further information such as evaluation, your agent contact information, homes for sale, rent, last viewed, and of course, favorites and featured listings. That concludes our Millions Mapped tutorial. Again, to find the Millions Mapped app, log into your kvCORE dashboard, click on your website, add in /app.php at the end, and away you go. Have a great day.